right, so let you know that we are at Mrs. Gibson house. All right. All right. I'm gonna do a repair to this shingle right here. All right. Okay. Barely lift the shingle to get to the nail. All right. Barely lift the shingle to get to the nail. It. You can see that it almost got little creases now by just lifting up to remove the nail. All right. All right, remove the shingle. Okay, I'll put it back. Use the snake jack. You can see the granules falling off the roof. And you see what type of impact it caused to it by using a snake jack. You can actually see the grains falling off this thing. Well, you can see, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So you can see that the roofing, even right here, shows that the roof is now repairable. Also, the snake jack caused that bruise, caused a bruise, caused the bruise, and also caused the bruise. There's widespread wind damage, over 127 shingles that was counted on all slopes. Roof is brittle due to there's no ventilation, and it make it impossible to do a proper repair without damaging the shingles above. So guys, this roof is now repairable. Thank you.